Guys, I'm the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the four most popular web browsers in the ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro. So I'm gonna start from the Opera. In this web browser, just click on the tab icon, choose private, and add a tab by the plus. That's it. The next one, Firefox. In this welcoming screen, just click here, but if you have any tab opened, click on this icon, choose Raw Mask, and add a tab. The next one is Adobe Edge. Click on the tab icon, choose in private, and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on the arrow icon, HardReset icon, choose new Incognito tab, and now in this mode your history, completed forms, cookies files, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.